Hey, it's H here, and today we're taking a look at Bitcoin. Now, today we are checking out some local price action here, what has been happening, some local levels, and what these prices have to do with the bigger picture. So let's get going. First, we'll delve into some dailies and weeklies. We have currently established a new daily here from the 17th of April at around the 39,645. That was established when we closed the yesterday's candle, confirming this upward movement. Now let's get into a bit closer 1 hour time frame for now. So this large pullback we had on Bitcoin came down to the monthly level at around 38,450 or 60, and there was also another naked session point of control right next to it. This was not hit, but again this was another large time frame point of control as well. We can check this, for example. Let's go back to 4 hour, maybe we can get that. So around that level we had a point of control that is from a really high time frame level. We can pull it from here. We can see that point of control is staying around the same area. Even from back here we can see that it is established right around this corner. Now that is a significant area, and at that point we've established again a few more levels that are going to be holding as support next time. Now after that low we came rushing through upwards, and we established a couple of different point of controls. Here we have a naked point of control and naked session point of control on top of each other. Going to be likely that it's going to be support, a good support at some point if the price decides to come back down. Above that we have established another naked session point of control with another daily at around 39,300. Above that, again, these were levels that were broken through, and this naked point of control actually on lower time frame we see that it got hit, it rejected, let's see, about 1.5% downwards before going up. So this was again very well respected area. Now if the price decides to come down from straight here, we can just take a normal Fibonacci retracement and target the golden pocket. Come on, there we go, GP, and that is going to be around the new daily that we established with the point of control and another daily just below it. So this area of around 39.6k to 39.3k is going to be a good level of support. There is also point of control here above 30,400, and this area or range value area low hits the same pocket with a golden pocket as this range value area low. So again, confirming more confluence for this area. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Let's see what this was. Again, around that same area we have more confluence for support now, even a higher time frame. For this whole correction we had this pitchfork, and it looks like, let's turn off these levels so we don't need those at the moment. We see this downtrend, and with this point of control, or not point of control, pitchfork, there we go, established from these three pivots you see at the moment, and we are coming close to the 1.618 of this median lines. So when the 2 is triggered and the price goes above that, I do no longer consider this pitchfork to be valid for the downtrend. At that point we are either making some kind of connector for this wave, or we have completed some larger structure and we're starting something completely new. Okay, let's get into Elliott Waves. So we had this theory basically. I had marked this ABC down here first. I also had a on-screen text saying that we could be seeing an A, B and C, and this is what it looks like to be happening right now. Now the B of this ABC came down to the expanded B pocket perfectly, and from there I had a long position from 38,934. Just looked at my other screen. I took profits here at 618 and 1-to-1 extensions, as I was not sure of what this is. I still have about a third of my position open here and be looking a bit higher to be closing that position for now. I have on a lower time frame, this looks to me that we have some kind of this structure currently making the fourth of the C wave, and this would be a micro count within itself. And yeah, around these areas we have the targets on a higher time frame for this light blue count, which is the mini count, starting all the way up here, 48k, 1, 2, 3, and creating this a flat or expanded flat or a running flat, depending if we get above the A wave. Again, it would be targeting the 382 retracement for the wave 3 move. So that is again from the highs. I'll start off wave 3 to the end of wave 3, and you just pull it through like so. I'm just making it a bit shorter so we don't need to see the long lines here. So 38.2 is the most common retracement for this wave 4. It matches roughly around this 1.618 and the 1.382 area, and I am expecting one more high here. After which we would be looking for the last leg downwards for the fifth. Now, when I'm saying that, I am aware that there is a possibility of wave 5 being done already here. So let me highlight this count for you in here. So this would indicate that wave 4 was actually done here as presented at the first or last video, and at that point we would have created 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 1 and wave 4 are not invalidating each other, so that is fine. And wave 5 just comes down here. Now what I don't like about this is that the structure is not really looking too good. The wave 4 is super deep, the wave 2 is really deep as well, and the wave 5 is super long compared to the rest of the structure, so just keep that in mind. Also, this wave 5 here is not giving a divergence for the third wave here. Where is the third? Right here. So I would be still expecting one more low with these reasonings. Now let's get a look at the higher time frames. So we had a few different counts going on. This one is still possible, the bullish count, as we have not broken the lows here. We came kind of close here, invalidating this another 2.5% down, and this would have been invalidated, which I would have been okay, because the less we have counts, the more likely they are true. Again, this expanding diagonal, not really my favorite at all. It already looks really bad, but is valid as it hasn't invalidated, or the wave 4 has not invalidated by going below wave 2. On this count we would be expecting a wave going higher towards the fifth wave. Definitely not expecting it going with the trend line, because we are already here, so I'm not expecting this to go to 55k. It just needs to be larger than the wave 3. Again, let's measure that up. And 1-to-1 here. Let me take all the rest down. So around 49.5k would be the target for this one, and this is actually the minimum target because this is an expanded diagonal, so the previous waves needs to be shorter than the last one, as this is an expanding one. Now the next count we had was again this wave X, saying that we have completed this structure here and now would be looking for downwards. Now as we were looking at this current structure that we were on and stating that it was 5 waves, possibly one more low, and this actually was a 3-wave structure here for the wave 4, we would be looking possibly for one more low, so maybe possibly coming back to this parallel channel, and at that point we would be looking for some kind of move up. If we are wanting to say that this is actually a new wave structure, and we could be saying that this is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and or this could be again A, B and C. Again, more 3-wave structures, but at this point we are not really sure about that. Whenever this starts to look that is going up more, we can always just look at the wave 2 possibilities for the golden pocket, look for confluence around that, or the 0.5 as well. Those two are the levels that I really would like this price to go to if we want this again to be playing out. Another possibility we had was this one, and again this is basically what I showed you, yeah. So but this one again was on a smaller time frame, and this was presenting you the ABC count. So at this point we would be looking for the ABC down, and then we would be looking more waves up as this count continues. Not much to go on about that. Another way to look into this is having this C wave as an ending structure. This is ending this structure right here, so A, B and C, bringing us to the X wave. If we get that one more low, it would look like that I would think it's going to be around this 38.9 area, 37.9 area, where this 0.854 extension would be, and after that we would be looking higher levels. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share to you today. This is the basic same count that I had on other charts. So if you have another coin you would like me to analyze, let me know down in the comments. For now, again, short time, I would be looking one more down and then up. But again, not financial advice. You do your own research and adjust as you would like to. But hopefully to see you on the next one, and if you have another coin you would like again me to analyze, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.